Have you ever had a really specific sound in mind but no idea how to search it? Like a crunchy snare being hit with a MIDI keyboard on a busy New York train. Well, now you can, because Waves just dropped Illusion, which lets you type in literally anything to generate unique and unconventional samples. Let's see what this generated. That's crazy. Let's make a new producer tag. Confident toddler shouts J Cactus in the middle of a thunderstorm.
Yay, cactus!
Yo, that is wild. We can drag that straight in. Let's hear it.
Yay, cactus!
It's crazy. This isn't about replacing your sounds, but it just unlocks creativity. You can describe a scene, mood, and emotion, and Illusion turns it into audio.